Let him breathe. Oh my God.
Put it in his mouth.
But that tastes good.
Boys, come take a picture. Rachel, tell me when you took the picture.
Which one do we look at?
No, Rachel, look at Rachel. Oh, I feel sick.
You're deformed.
Okay, see if you can salvage some of this off my face for the last person. Is there a see if you can salvage some?
No, get some off his eyes and his nose and stuff so he can breathe. His mouth.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, Bruce, bring me some. Come on, come on, come on. Go, you guys go clean up. I gotta get someone clean. Bruce, someone go put some water on these. Someone go put some water on these, please. Okay. Who's next?
Christina.
Okay, hold on. Let me get sort of clean for you.
Christina.
Trying the last day of school.
Wait.
It's a nice game.
Thanks, I bought it for her.
Hold on, Christine. Let me get
5, 4, 3.
No.
That's what I did.
I'm dizzy. I'm hot. You know.
Who doesn't like?
I mean, you weren't
Who
arguing.
doesn't like this on their face?
I use this kind right here. Ladies.
Christine, I'm ready. Don't break my nose. Go. Is that it? Are you gonna go for my face? You can go for my face. Picture, Rachel. Where are you? Christina, stand next to me.
Grab it off and then put it on his face.
Where's she at? Where are you? We good?
It's on your teeth.
Bruce.
Here's a wet one.
Who's next?
She totally failed and missed him. Like, look, you can see it all along there. She missed his face.
Where's the wet one, Sophie?
Are you recording?
There's 2 left. That's it. Girls, whoever's last has got to just use the remaining shaving cream, and then should we just?
You gonna put this on
I think
YouTube?
she's mad at me or something.
She ain't mad at me.
She's not mad at anybody. Put this on
Use the
YouTube.
rest. There should be enough.
And
I'm putting it
Facebook.
on
Donna, just
YouTube.
load it in one of those.
Yeah, like straight to the
Oh.
Where's their bunch?
Use some more than
No, he's gonna say that for
Whatever. I don't care. Oh, so what?
gosh.
Okay. You ready? Hold on, I'm not ready.
Hey, Mr. Chapman.
Hey guys, we gotta go to lunch right after this. Mr. Chapman's gonna walk you guys down, okay? After we're done with all this. Okay, here we go. Wait, no.
Donna's not ready.
Well, Donna, use the rest of that in those cans. There's a little bit left.
Okay.
You have it all? Give Donna a paper towel. All right. Hold on. Give her one. Okay, Madison's ready. That's good. That's plenty. That's plenty.
Donna's ready.
Okay, Madison. Don't break my nose.
I had to add some in there.
Go, Donna. Go.
Is she going now too?
Go, Donna.
Go, Donna.
Is Donna going now too? What's happening? Is Donna going now or not?
Yes, she is.
Are you going now?
Get it on his nose.
Just do whatever. Just go ahead.
Look at my birthmark there.
Okay, are we good now, girls? Because I feel really sick.
Yeah.
Where's the paper towel? Let me try to clear my eyes.
You literally can't see his face.
This feels weird. All right, move it.
Okay, ready.
Oh my God.
Okay, go get cleaned off. Mr. Chapman's walking you down to lunch. Go, Mr. Chapman. Don't say any words.
Hey. Get that piece, Lauren. Get that piece on him. He's got some. Hey, you got some.